Hello. First of all, thank you for coming to the channel. So, can you please introduce yourself before we start the video?
Yeah, sure. First of all, thank you, Aman, for inviting me to share my experience. Myself, Vishu, I am basically from Patna district, Bihar state, and I had completed my bachelor's of engineering in computer science from Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, with aggregate CGPA of around 9 CGPA, and recently I got placed in HashedIn by Deloitte.
Okay. So, I am also from Patna. So, great to that.
Okay, okay, that's yeah.
Can you please tell me what was the how you applied for this post?
It was basically on campus. Yeah, it is on campus, and at the starting, it has some eligibility criteria, like overall 60% is throughout the academics, and but they had shortlisted the students at first only for their recruitment process. I think the CGPA they had shortlisted on it was around 8.5 CGPA. So they allowed the student who has having the CGPA of around 8.5 or above 8.5. So that was the eligibility criteria.
Yeah. And how many of them were selected from your college?
Like at last, only 3 persons got selected, but for the recruitment process, around 400 people got selected in the level one coding round. So their first level was coding round. Uh, it was in
Congratulations that you got selected in three.
yeah, I think.
So, can you please tell me what was your preparation strategy or how you prepared?
Um, as you go for the product base or companies like this, so we should focus. Like I had focused more on DSA, like data structures and algorithm. And I think the plus point in my resume was that I had completed one internship at Logitech, so that was one plus point for me. And for preparation, like yeah, you can come up with DSA. Like if you have completed almost like basic questions to medium, so that was enough, and I had done the same for it. And yeah, your projects, like my projects, played an important role in that. So that was the preparation that come on.
Okay, when we say DSA, it is a completely like the big on a bigger scale. So can you please simplify it? What are the data structure that we should definitely before sitting in Deloitte first invite?
uh, it basically the first round was only the DSA round, and it was held in my college. Like generally, some of the companies take up the first round at home through home, but no, it was in my college, and company persons were also there. Like they were checking the students, like who were doing it. So there was no chance of talking with each other or something like that. But yeah, in DSA, basically there are three questions in first round. The first one was easy, second was medium, and third was hard. For easy, you can expect the question from array string. That is the two questions. Two main areas they can give. The medium was from hashing. You can say you can get hashing, linked list, or stack queue. And the hard question was basically from algorithm type. It can be either DP or some algorithm like backtracking, recursion. So in that, I had solved two questions, the easy one and medium one.
If someone wants to go into Deloitte, so they should at least prepare till hashing, or they should know linked list about linked list. If you
Yeah,
are able
like
to solve two question, you can be selected.
yeah, in Hastin first round, minimum two questions is required. I guess.
Okay. And it is good if you know DP or non-linear data structure like
Well,
graph tree. Okay.
yeah.
How many rounds were there?
The as I told, like first round was simple coding round, which I held in college, and in that like around 300 persons given exam. In that they had selected only 22 students. So competition was very tough in that, and they come up with the interview like there were two technical interview, one HR interview. So the first interview was basically through your resume, like what you had added in your resume, your projects, like deep understanding. They will not ask the easy questions like, yeah, you are using HTML, CSS, or React. they will not like what you had implemented. They ask directly that, like how you had implemented this functionality in your project or like that. And one thing they asked, like in the first technical interview, was database design. They given one problem statement and told me to design a database regarding it. It was simple, like you have to design a URL diagram or something like that, and from that they can revert the question, like you have to find out the student name or teacher's name, something like that.
Basically, it all round was a elimination.
Yeah, the first technical round was, I guess, the most important round, the first technical interview, because in 22 students, they selected only 6 students after technical one. And the technical one interview was around 45 minutes. Like time spent was 45 to 1 hour. From some people, it can go long.
So out of three elimination round, which was hard for you, or whether it all was easy?
Not easy, but its recruitment process are a bit different from others companies. Like the in technical two, it was easy. Like my language was Java, so they asked Java questions in the start. They make me feel good at that point of time, and after that, they suddenly throw a problem statement and told to design told to do a system design according to. Like for me, the question was like to design a crude app, crude like create, read, update, delete app in database, we know. So we have to design that website regarding it. So he asked me functionalities, like what functions you can add, what buttons you can add. And my language was like front-end language was React. So they told me to write the code even for that, like write it, not the proper code, but yeah, he was checking like whether I know the basic terms, like what API we can use in that, what buttons we have to like specifically we have to add in that. So he was checking, and most probably like, it was kind of friendly interview because he was helping me a lot. It was not like you do, I will just see you, not like that. He was even giving me some ideas like how you can add this, you can add more functions like that. So it was good, and they asked that, and yeah, in both the technical interview, they asked one DSA question at logs.
Yeah. So whether it was your first interview, I think definitely no.
No, no. It was like before that I had selected for, I guess, 3 to 4 companies, but that is the better offer, or we can say the best company for me to join. So that's why I had selected this.
At the end, we always go for best. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can say like as HashedIn, I know since my second year, like since one of the best company for freshers, so I choose that.
So they ask question on your project. So whether the project was a basic project or they need a full stack project or a unique idea.
The not like that, but like they are checking the project which is done by only you. Like it's not like college products or something. If you had done a simple project, see, like a simple front end also, then they are checking like, yeah, you had done it by all. We should know all its problem. Like, yeah, you face challenge here, and what are the tech stack you had used, and what if you had used some functionalities, then how you had implemented. So they are checking like, yeah, it is done by you, because we all know that on internet there are a lot of projects, even new ideas are there. So they are checking like the project is done by you, you know the tech stack properly. So in project they are basically checking that thing. And yeah, you can say like if you have something good on your resume, like a good project or an internship, then it will be really good for companies like this, HashedIn or EPAM.
Yeah, internship can be very helpful for getting a good job. So you have one.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I can say that that internship helped me a lot.
Yeah. So how you get an internship, or it was an on campus or an off? So if someone wants to get an internship, how should like they go for it?
Basically, like they can the internship I had joined is on campus only. The company came Logitech. Basically, I know, I think you know Logitech, the company which creates keyboard, mouses, and all. So they came, yeah, in that also, like first was DSA round and technical interviews, multiple technical interviews. But according to me, everyone should try for internship in their second or third year. because that helps a lot. You will get a good exposure to the what's happening around the tech stack and what things you need to learn basically. So since starting, you have to focus on the first internship. Like if you are in second year, if you focus on internship, so at the end you will get a good job. You don't need to worry.
Okay. So we already know that you got a job and how was your like the journey. So can you please tell me what is the preparation study and for how long you were preparing for that job?
All right. As I am 2024 batch, so we are basically known as Corona batch. So
Oh,
we had completed like till second year we are at home. So after second year only I went to college, and at first only I got to realize like if you want the job you have to come up with DSA. According to whoever is preparing for software engineer jobs or related job, they should prepare first. Like they should prepare on DSA most importantly, at least linear DSM like array, string, linked list, stack, queue, async, these things they should know. And if they know this, they can go up the trees and maps and rest of the things. But yeah, DSA is must. And secondly, I had done like project. Like since starting, I was like in full stack development. So I had done the project, and that project only, I think on that project, I got the internship because it was similar kind of work at Logitech I had done. So if don't if anyone is listening this, so I would say don't just go every technology and just learn everything. Just come up with one thing. Like if you're going for AI, then learn that properly. But yeah, DSA is must. With that, you should develop one skill like AI, machine learning, or development. You can go choose one line. You can go that. DSA is must.
okay. So have you worked on aptitude part of because
Yeah,
the view aptitude were there or not? And if not, can anyone prepare for aptitude?
yeah, of course. Like aptitude, I guess you should. Everyone should know the aptitude because
In your case, but many company the first round they conduct as an
yeah,
yeah.
no, I had given for yeah, I had also got selected for TCS Digital, but that because of aptitude only. So if your college has not any type of training or something, in my college they used to train us on aptitude, like special classes for that. So, but yeah, aptitude is as much as necessary like PSA because most of the colleges with the mass recruiters like Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini, TCS, the first round is along with the aptitude only. But after that only they can move up to the DSA. So yeah, aptitude is must.
So and how much package they have?
The package they are offered is around 8.1 LPA, and along with it, there are some extra things, but I don't know about that. But the main package was around 8.1.
Okay. And when is your joining date?
My joining date is next month only, like 7th of October in Bangalore.
Next month in Bangalore. Okay. And how you are seeing that?
I am very excited for it. Yeah, yeah, I am ready and I'm very excited for it because I had seen like HashedIn, like their culture is there is so friendly. Even we had seen it in recruitment process, like they were very friendly. Like you will not feel like interviewer and student. You will feel like yeah, he's asking and he's even helping.
That is what
So I
all
am
of
very
you want.
yeah, because at the starting we are very nervous. If interviewer asks some simple questions in the starting, we get some confidence and we can explore more in that interview.
Yeah. So at the end, thank you for your valuable experience. Hope it will be helpful for someone. So at the end, if you want to say something about this channel,
Yeah, sure. Like uh, for the like, I know this channel since long, but during my preparations also, I had seen some of the videos. Not I cannot say like experience videos for, but you had put some topics videos and even the coding questions I had seen there. So I had gone through that like just before the interviews and all. Like for a short tip, like I know this question is important, so just go through. So I had even used it for content like studying, and yeah, your experience videos. Like Accenture, I had seen. Uh, One boy was there for Accenture also.
Yeah.
So I had even shared that video to one of my friend who had, I guess, interview next month, like 2nd of October or 3rd. So I had shared that video, then you can go through it and you can be
Yes,
relaxed.
and there is also one video of your company as in by the way. Yeah, so, and it will be the second one.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know the channel, but I guess this one in this channel only. You will not believe, but I had seen that off campus. I get that channel was that was not on campus. I guess.
Yeah, thank you for your valuable rewards. Yeah, we can end this video now.
And I would thank you also for letting me to share my experience through your channel.
Thank you.